Good morning, I'm Brian. Today I will tell you the story about Crocodile and Mouse. And often I think really that a mouse that who was toughest the crocodile did and blew it in the head and idea to treat the crocodile be promising to give them food and finally the agreed to their children and to order as big and beyond with the elephant and think the idea of the reflect the mouse their side. I take you out the crocodile could ice cream and the mouse that fed the crocodile. The moral message is that LC BFP was something on premises. So closing. Thank you, Alfred. Thank you. I, and thank you, attention. I hope you have enjoyed my story. Goodbye.